Do you know it's possible to make Kenya shilling 621,000 every month, passive income, without you ever having to work again? Now, I'm going to show you the formula. I know this sounds very far-fetched. Alex, you're just talking about, get rich quick schemes. It cannot happen. How can this happen? Now, let me show you the formula. Now, everyone is talking about special funds or high income or high yield funds in the country. And we have the likes of Mansa X, we have Oak Fund, we have Avocap, Etika, Kuza, and many others that are coming up. Now, how can you use these funds and take that moderate risk to grow your income or part of your savings so that you can get to financial freedom? Now, the financial freedom is that state, that place where you get where your money is working for you so that you can live the life that you desire. You don't have to work for money. And we all want to be in that place, but that place requires sacrifice, commitment, and the right vehicle to get you there. Now, in my example, in my formula, I'll be showing you how to invest 100,000 every month for the next 10 years at a rate of 17% net return, and then let that money stay there without you ever having to contribute anything. And for the next 5 years, then in 15 years, you can have enough money to give you 621,000 every month. This is how we are going to make it work. All right. In my example, I'm going to use Mansa X special fund. Right? Mansa X is a special fund, and if you want to get into this special fund, just WhatsApp me Mansa X, and I'm going to direct you and help you with the whole process. Now, you have opened Mansa X. You need 250,000 to join this fund. All right? So that is the initial. Then every month you contribute 100,000 to this fund. Commitment, discipline for the next 10 years. This is how much you're going to get. Now, if you are going to get 32,421,122. Remember, your cash is compounding every quarter. Every quarter, the money that you put there plus the interest is compounding. In 10 years, you have 32.4. Now, we want to just leave that 2.4 million there. Let it simmer, let it grow, let it work for you for the next 5 years. Then, when you come into your account after 5 years, you'll have 74.5 million. Now, 74.5 million will have grown from the 32.4 million that you left 5 years ago. After that, what do? Now, we are going to take this money, invest it in an investment that is low risk, secure, preserving your capital, and just sit back and enjoy the returns. All right, you can choose your money market fund or an income distribution fund like GAO, Avocap, GAO, fixed income distribution fund. Then you'll be just waiting for money to hit your bank account every month. All right, if we invest 74.5 million in a 10% return investment, you're going to have 7.4 million every month, every year. Now, 7.4 million, divide that by 12. It means that every year you'll be receiving 621,000 right into your bank account. Tell me, do you now have the formula? Right? It is just like that. You commit to consistently invest in 10 years in an investment that is giving you an average of 17%. Right? I know the naysayers. You'll come and ask about, what about us who cannot afford 100,000? In this video, I'm talking about that someone who can afford 100,000, and that is why I've given this example. But now let me come to you. If you are not able to afford this 100,000, what you need to do is, and you need to take advantage of special funds. What you do is you open a good money market fund and name it investment accumulation fund, right? So you accumulate your money there. Then when you hit 100,000, you transfer that money into a special fund and let your money work for you with a, high return. So you accumulate, transfer it. That is how you can take advantage of a special fund and a money market fund. So that is for the formula. Something else, you need to consistently and commit to this plan, that in the next 10 years I commit to be investing 100,000 into this fund, right? You can have diverse fund. Probably you'll be holding a portfolio of 2 or 3, but on average, let those funds give you an average of 15 plus net return. That is how you can get close to this number. So that's it. If you want or you are interested in Alex Ware, which is the best special fund that I can choose based on my risk appetite and my personal, like and preference, just WhatsApp me. MansaX or just WhatsApp me special fund, and I'm going to guide you on what special fund is the best for you. That is a formula to get 621 Kenya shillings right into your bank account every month without you ever having to work again in just 15 years. Alex Mwangi is my name. See you in the next one.